Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who?
Hi Chan, I'm vlogging today. This was a very last minute decision. This is my last lecture today. These are my buddies. So basically, all four of them, they have a story. Yes. Feet Bob, being very freaky, of course. He shoved his foot up Sadboard's ass. He's sad.
Oh no.
He sprayed his hair.
That's Daddy Trump but with an accent.
So, yeah, Billie Jean sprayed Daddy Trump's hair. And he celebrated because his foot was up his ass. And it's cute. Yeah, love it. Aye, Captain. So, this was a very last minute decision to vlog today because today is also kind of like a half day. So we just got done with our classes. We only had 2 classes to begin with, and we're done with both of them. And now we're just gonna time pass. And so I decided to vlog. There's not gonna be enough footage for one day, so instead I'm just gonna like vlog like over a span of a couple of days and then just compile it. So we're just done with our classes. I have a wiener on my hand. I am a wiener. Bye. Bye. See you later.
Give me
proper like
Daddy Trump.
बच्चे ग्लास का ध्यान रखो
Yes sir.
फेंक देंगे हम
Suction. Hold up, you to hold my hand. Reason again. What is it, Daddy Trump?
Daddy Trump. You like really imagine.
Okay. Kabir squeeze hand. I say go squeeze. 3, 2, 1 squeeze.
Daddy Trump. Daddy Trump. Daddy Trump.
so
wedding
knowing it should have been
The gang is back. This is Kian Sharon. Smile.
hello
Bigger smile.
hi hello
And he's listening to Bollywood.
मैं मार खाऊं मीठी सी वो गली तेरी तैयार हूँ मैं
Beautiful. Chef's kiss. Yeah. We have
my hair too much I should cut it a bit
we have Johan
I look so dead,
and Kashvi. I am taking the vlogs for today because bitch. This is like the fucking pussy view.
I'm skipping it hey क्या है बे
Hello everyone. Kashvi is mad at you. So cute. She had one paratha.
I had one paratha and she's vlogging
I had half a cream cheese bun.
Okay, good.
Where are we going?
Hi guys. We're going to
Parsi Dairy Farm.
let's go
We're going to Johan Dairy Farm. Why
Parsi
Johan?
Dairy Farm.
Because it's called Parsi.
because we milk Johan over there
Yeah.
So why are we going?
We're going,
Why are we going?
to have lassi over there.
Why?
lassi
That's
challenge
because they
let's go
think
lassi
that
challenge
they think that they are rich, but they're really not. This is a vlog. This is a vlog.
Yeah.
it is so right now the time is what's the time
You know how they say in Big Boss? शाम के 6 बजे.
शाम के 5:57 Today's day was very exciting, but because we are going home late, Kashvi has to go home with Johan. And what is Johan doing? He's chugging lassi because he's going to. This video is going to be titled Parsi Discovery Video. Editor, if you're seeing this, I have currently shat my pants. And I'm walking with like a big load. Yes, Kashvi. Normal clips for Kashvi.
550 per glass.
You're chugging it, and then if you win, you win. If you don't, we finish it.
Come on, Joey. Who's paying?
How do you feel?
I'm scared.
How do
I'm
you
scared.
On a scale of
All these years of training, Joey. Tell me, what are you? What are you doing?
okay, this is the size of the glass that Johan has to
And
drink
this is my
out of.
hand. So this is 6
Ethan's
inches
hand.
roughly. Like the fuck?
Put it.
It's just
Wait, he
one.
already has a mustache.
Divide.
That's our lassi, and that's our Eugene.
You have to finish that within 1 minute, and we have a goodie bag for you in store. If you happen to finish that, you're gonna be there on the Hall of Fame.
You came, you slumped, and you conquered.
3, 2, ready, 1. Joey! 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 Joey!
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Like roll.
So like, how do you feel after Joey conquered?
He slurped. I feel like he slurped. He slurped and left no crumbs.
So Joey already did it. How do you feel?
It's just not as difficult as it looks. It's amazing.
But coffee with cashmere. No, take it now.
You look like that Vicky Kaushal from Chava.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
अरे हाँ.
Oh my head. Today we're in English class. So welcome back to the vlog, day 3. Today's gonna be an interesting little day because I have to get the t-shirts for Eugene's birthday printed. We have 3 lectures and we're done with the first one. I have 5. I have friends. Cannot relate. We went side questing yesterday, but I didn't get enough clips to make it a part of the vlog. But I have to go get Eugene's birthday t-shirts printed, and everyone's gonna come with me. Like the vlog's coming with me.
This is also a vlog and that's also a vlog. They're both vlogs.
And we returned. So class is over. We are walking to the main campus. Kabir shaved. Kabir is like a little baby. Okay, and we are walking. Kiola?
Oh, the gate is opening.
आप कली है. Om Sai Ram. So this is Shirin. Oh my. This is vlog.
Oh, I vlog.
This is Shirin. And this is Kabir. And Uncle आप भी hello बोल दो. Hello बोल दो. So they're going for stand-up college special segment for me. And if you want to know what the tripod is right now, the tripod is Eugene's. Obviously, again Eugene. It's Eugene's neck.
Wait, actually, can I hold it?
Look at his forehead.
Vlog your forehead.
Kashvi took a bite out of my cake.
Vlog.
All the
Yeah, no.
My bad.
There's chocolate on my hand. I accidentally dropped Kabir's face. I thought he got hurt. This is Mansi. Don't touch the chocolate.
So we can see a great specimen of buffoonery, of absolute tomfoolery. This picture. Now, if you look very closely, my dear audience, you can't see the motherfucker's face. So what's the point of this picture, genuinely?
I hope this video doesn't get taken down.
Yeah, you know what it looks like?
I'm with a Sobo dad today. He got a haircut and he looks like he has 3 daughters and he's going to a golf course. Why are you so awkward? Walk. Hi. I was told to record this.
Kashi, do you ever get vlogged on your vlog?
Huh? Yes, I do.
Okay. What did you eat today?
Paneer.
Go back further.
Is that enough? Is that enough?
You're a skinny legend like that. Where's the waist? Where's the
Not
waist?
there.
You can't find it. Can't find it. Where is it?
Okay, turn on.
Oh no! We are taking a piss together. Look at them.
And then now you have to have makeup.
Aww. And now kiss. Whoa!
Treat me like Wednesday. Don't get me dirty.
Send this to Eugene, by the way.
We are on our way to. We are on the way to the station because we're getting Eugene t-shirts. We're getting Eugene t-shirts printed.
With flash and everything is crazy.
So guess what happened? So while we were getting his t-shirt printed, Eugene comes. Hi. So Eugene sees us. What excuse did you give him?
We are buying a Diddy cup. But then the man is not allowing us to print Diddy cup. That's exactly what he said.
Yeah, so future Eugene that's gonna see this, you better appreciate it. It was stressful. This was stressful. Adulting.
Today is a new day. I am the same person.
I was not after everyone. I was not after me.
So bright I can't see. We have to pick up the t-shirt that we were getting printed yesterday. But the issue is Eugene's right there. And I told him, this is such a bad angle. I told him that I'm gonna leave later, but he's right there. And if I see him, he's gonna be like, why aren't you coming with us? But we have to pick it up and it's on the way to Mainlands. So we are kind of cooked. So we are just hiding here with the thing.
Happy with the long
But I'm beautiful, you know what I'm saying?
We're
Like,
vlogging.
Eugene, I'm gonna
You
fuck.
can't hear.
I'm gonna fuck the shit out of you, bro. For your birthday, you gonna have birthday sex.
So we're hiding over here with
Yo,
the
does
car.
my jersey look good, Eugene?
My name is on the car. My name. You unlocked a new character.
Making faces. Or
Captured.
Kashvi suddenly became Manipuri and I am Kashvi.
Can I Kashvi vlog? She getting something for Eugene. I told her these gifts don't mean anything if you don't give him head, but like,
He didn't say that.
oh, ooted. 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 Girvam.
I love the flower. Thank you much. Arey bro, princess treatment. I need my favorite seat. Kashi got me flowers. I feel really nice.
Smell that.
It's different.
it's Eugene's birthday.
Eugene birthday. Vagina birthday. Vagina birthday.
Thank you so much. Happy 17th birthday. From Kashi. What is this?
so cute. That is so cute. I'll fuck with that. So It is Eugene vlog day, birthday day. We just got him a cake and it says Dada Pahunch Gaya. And it has a yellow smiley face on it. And we are walking back to college right now. He liked his card and he liked the flowers. But let us see if he's gonna like his Grandmaster Vader t-shirt. So loud, we should vlog in the...
We should not do a vlog.
Hold on, we'll come back in the subway.
Come back in the subway. Bye-bye.
We're in the subway now. We're walking back to college with the cake, and we will now tell you the jhamela we had to go through for this stupid Grandmaster Vader t-shirt.
So, somehow, okay, we got that Bihari uncle to understand that we wanted the sticker on the back. And guess what?
We told him we're gonna come the next day at 5 PM and we're gonna pick it up.
And
said,
guess
okay.
what?
He made me wait a freaking hour. He's like, 5 minute maa raha hai, 2 minute maa raha hai, 10 minute maa raha hai. 1 hour I waited, then he brings a t-shirt, it's on the wrong side. And then I'm mad because I had to wait an hour for that in the sun, and like I live in Borivali. I can't just sit around. So I get mad. I tell Ethan to call the uncle and then yell at the uncle. Ethan, call the uncle.
I call the uncle and I go, Uncle, आपने क्या किया? आज 1 घंटा के लिए हम रुक रहे थे. आपने क्या किया? And uncle goes like, बेटा, शर्ट मंडे को आएगा 12 बजे. मैं बोला, अगर आएगा नहीं ना तो हम आएंगे, हम घर आएंगे आपके. फिर I went to get the shirt and guess what?
He said it's gonna be another 30 minutes.
30 minutes? 3 fucking days for 1 t-shirt?
If Eugene makes it, I break up.
I'll break.
It's crisis.
Are we ready?
Jafar!
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready, Anil? Yeah.
Are you ready, Fiona? Yes, you and my boys are ready. Go for it.
Let's go!
End it! Happy birthday to me. No way! Wait, what?
Show it to the camera.
No way!
He's been signed by the Grandmaster Vados. It's okay, Eugene. It's okay. It's a dream come true, my boy.
Grandmaster Vader! What am I? Grandmaster Vader!
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need